Alright, so this is a 1992 XT225, or also known as a Serow. It's a piece of crap, but I've been working on it for about 3 months now. I've replaced just about everything that's major. I still got to reupholster the seat. I'm waiting on a tank. The brakes, I still can't get to work in the back, so I only have back brakes right now. The turn signals don't work. I'm working on that. It has a new ignition. I put the new sleeves on it. I got a new chain. Might change out the sprockets, new tires, and then a ignition relay switch, which is what was wrong with it in the first place. And so we're going to take it down.
What about the carb?
Oh yeah, it's a new carb on there.
And you got an upgraded tank, right?
Yeah, that's on the way. So I'm going to try to run it. I can't go too fast. I only have back brakes, but let's see if we can get it going here. Oh, and new grips. And the headlights work.
And of course in flip-flops.
Yes.
This bike has been sitting around probably for about 20 years before anybody worked on it, other than taking it apart a bunch of times.